If your PDF file isn't opening on WhatsApp and you keep getting the message "could not load object," don't worry. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap Apps or App Management. Now use the search bar to find WhatsApp and tap on it. Next, scroll down and tap Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. Go back and you'll see the Archive option. Tap it, then select Restore to bring everything back. Now, go to your home screen and restart your phone. Once it's back on, open WhatsApp, try opening the PDF again and check if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, follow this next method. Tap and hold the PDF file, then tap the three dots icon. Select Share, then choose Files by Google. The PDF will now be downloaded. Tap on it and you'll see it opens perfectly. That's it, you've successfully fixed the problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.